So our blue zones, we talked about the Minnesota experiment, changing the town's whole ecosystem. So Pekka and his team saw a dramatic change in Finland, which was a good thing, and they was wondering, can they bring that over to the U.S.? And so they found this little city called Albert Lee, Minnesota, and they had a conference where they sat down with the mayor, city manager, superintendent of schools, head of public health, president of chamber of commerce, and respected business leaders to talk about these changes that he wants to make in the city. And so he had a quote in there that says, "If your three best friends are obese, there's a 50% chance that you will be overweight too." And so he made a statement because of he wanted to know why humans always overeat more. And not only he wanted them to be healthy as far as eating and dieting, he wanted them to be social. And then he knew where he wanted to focus at. He wanted to focus on a 20 mile radius around homes and jobs because there were all the supermarkets, restaurants, school cafeterias, all that. Um, that location was downtown, and he knew that there would be more people there, and that's where the business is at.
All right, so phase one and the result. So, what the team did was visit eateries, restaurants, and they held seminars for the owners. They also visited schools to educate staff, teachers, culinary staff, basically just how to teach how to help students become healthier. They also eliminated fundraising with walking marathons. So they took away bake sales, anything that was unhealthy to the students, and they just changed it for something, a healthier alternative. And then the last thing they did was offer customers fruit or salad as a side dish instead of French fries in restaurants. And they actually found that the orders for the French fries decreased and the sales of side salads, fruits, and veggies, basically all the healthy foods, increased. So it was a win win situation for both the customer and the restaurant owners.
The other big change we saw was in the local grocery stores. There was a lot of disconnect when it came to food and nutrition, so cooking classes started being held monthly at the grocery store so that customers could learn how to incorporate functional foods into their diet. And they started offering shopping lists curated toward healthy foods and pointing out functional foods with bright big stickers so that customers would see them and were more likely to buy them. The checkout lanes also changed so that they were offering healthy snacks instead of the sweet and salty ones. And the community really appreciated this and had really good results, including higher sales.